I lost my son. I lost Jack. And he was an identical twin. And our family has suffered greatly. And I don't want any other parent to have to deal with this.
Nearly a decade after an ASU freshman died from alcohol poisoning while pledging a fraternity, a new law is about to hit the books that will make hazing a crime in Arizona. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Mark Curtis.
And I'm Kadiva Devine. Today, Governor Doug Ducey signed an anti-hazing measure into law. Team 12's Jonathan McCall talked to the mother of the ASU freshman who inspired the bill. Jonathan?
Yeah, Mark Caribe, until now, there was no official law on the books here in Arizona that dealt with the consequences of hazing. But under Jack's law, named in honor of Jack Culolias, who died from an alcohol-induced hazing ritual, his family hopes that no other family will have to feel their pain. For nearly 10 years, Grace and Alex Culolias have been on a mission for Jack.
Always had a smile on his face, super social, had a ton of friends.
In November 2012, the 19-year-old ASU freshman died from alcohol poisoning. Investigators say it was all part of a hazing ritual for a fraternity.
From one day to the next, Jack was alive and then he was gone.
For 16 days, Jack's body laid at the bottom of Tempe Town Lake after he drowned before being found. Grace then began her path to prevent another family from losing a child to college hazing.
It's amazing that there's not been a bill or a law because this has to stop.
Thursday, her years of hard work finally paying off with the signing of House Bill 2322, Jack's Law, named in honor of Jack, which now makes hazing a crime in Arizona. The bill protects against physical and mental abuse and sexual humiliation and other degrading events. The bill also targets individuals behind those acts. They can now face punishments ranging from misdemeanors, even felonies if a death is involved. Students will also now be required to acknowledge the law while signing student handbooks in college.
And the mere fact that it's now illegal to even plan this, much less engage in it, I think is a wake-up call that they'll all adhere to.
Previously, Arizona was one of 6 states in America that did not have a law on the books for hazing incidents. And while they know Jack won't return back to them,
He's truly missed. And I'm grateful that I have Alex, his twin brother.
She still gets to see what he would look like.
Grace and Alex hope that his story and this law will prevent another family from sharing in their pain. So no one has ever been criminally charged in Jack's death, but Grace says she's now on a new mission to try to get this bill adopted in other states all across the country. We're live tonight in the newsroom. Jonathan McCall, 12 News.